Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen'sTastyKitchen. Today's recipe is packed with full of proteins, that is the Chane Masala. I am going to show an easy process to make the Chane Masala in the pressure cooker. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's get started with the process. I have taken about 250 grams of chana and soaked it overnight in water, or you can soak it for 6 to 8 hours. Now take a pressure cooker, add about 100 ml of oil. To this add 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves. Now add 3 large onions finely chopped and saute until golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute them until the raw smell is gone. Now add 2 large finely chopped tomatoes. Add 2 slit green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon amchur powder. Now mix all these ingredients well. Once oil starts releasing, add chole. Now add 1 cup of fresh coconut milk, 2 tablespoon coriander chopped and 2 tablespoon of fresh cream, and mix all the ingredients. At this point you can check for seasoning. Now add about half glass of water and close the lid. Cook for about 5 to 6 whistles in medium flame. So once the pressure is released, open the lid. The tasty and yummy Chole Masala is ready now. You can enjoy this Chana Masala with your rotis and biryanis. This Chana Masala can be topped up with fresh cream and few coriander leaves. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe.
me that you love